Life feels short, not because the hours are missing, because I keep handing them away. Tiny trades, endless scrolling, another tab, another just 5 minutes, and then the day's gone. Here's a different plan. Tomorrow, I remove one unnecessary distraction, just one. I replace it with something that matters. That's the whole challenge. Pick your cut. Social feed before breakfast, gone. The background TV that never teaches you anything, off. Checking email every 10 minutes, not tomorrow. Now pick your meaning. 10 quiet minutes with a book that grows you. A call to someone you love. No multitasking, no rush. A slow walk outside, phone left at home. Journaling one page about what you actually want from this week. Time stops feeling slippery. Minutes get edges. I notice breath, light, texture, thought. The day expands, not because it's longer, but because I'm in it. Make it concrete. Writing 2 lines. I'm removing blank at blank. I'm replacing it with blank from blank to blank. Put a reminder where the distraction usually grabs you. If you slip, reset the next hour, not the next week. You don't need a new life, you need a new choice. Repeated. One trimmed thread of triviality, one stitch of meaning. Do it tomorrow, then the next day. Watch time open like a window you forgot you could lift. Life is short when I live it by accident. It gets longer when I live it on purpose. Remove one, replace with one. Start tomorrow morning. I'll be right there with you.